5 mistakes that I made on YouTube. There are 10 family and friends about my YouTube channel. Depending on AI and also plugin extensions to market my YouTube channel and videos. Why, it's a mistake to tell family and friends about your YouTube channel. That's because family and friends may try and be sympathetic and may subscribe to your channel, not because they want to be royal supporters of your channel and regular viewing of your content, but they're doing it out of pity. They may, and it could actually cause unnecessary reputational damage to your channel, depending on family and friends to subscribe to you. So your family and friends are also unlikely to pay for content through membership and also unlikely to watch the whole length of a video. And this could have an impact on your views. So your family and friends are not the audience that you're targeting. The second mistake was me depending on vidIQ, the project extension, and also AI to create thumbnails, titles, and video descriptions, and to come up with ideas for videos. And because I was too dependent on the vidIQ plugin and the work that I actually put in wasn't effective actually, and it made it. And not only that, I was also too focused on getting subscribers and not on the actual content of the actual videos that I was making. So we don't want to depend too much reliance on both AI and also plugin extensions for your browser, whether that's vidIQ or TubeBuddy and other similar companies, products, because it can make us lazy when it comes to actually come up with viewable content. The third mistake that I made on YouTube was also checking the analytics too much. And the thing is, when you do that, you can be discouraged if your views aren't going up, or you're not getting enough subscribers, or you're not getting enough watch time. So you don't want to treat your answers every 5 minutes, not even every day. At least once a week should be sufficient enough. Because if you keep checking that the answers are working or working, it may make you question the motivation for why you're creating content, and may actually make you depressed. And that's the last thing you want. Also, it was also a mistake, this is the fourth one, it was also a mistake for me to quit YouTube, because that means by quitting, it means I didn't create content that viewers and loyal supporters and those that had subscribed or did watch my videos no longer have access to those. Instead, they're viewing videos and content from other channels of a similar nature. So quitting means you aren't committed to the channel, and the community and all will suffer. So with this channel, I'm not going to make that same mistake. Also, the fifth mistake is also watching too many content creation channels, because even though they give you ideas, we don't want to be copying them idea for idea. We want to be doing things from our own unique perspective. So in future videos, I will make sure that I don't make those five mistakes. It doesn't mean that when it comes to the one about using AI and AI, it doesn't mean that AI won't be used at all. I just don't want over reliance or dependency on it. And because there's a lot of backlash on the use of AI, not just on YouTube channels, but even the content creation industry as a whole. Even people that are just starting to study or the content creation industry also don't like AI. Some don't like it because of political or ethical, moral reasons. But this channel also it's not going to be getting involved with things that are too controversial or political. So don't expect that type of content, because that's also another mistake that I made. So thank you for watching this, and I look forward to future videos. And thank you also for subscribing.